Why is it asked about so often? Why is it so prevalent? Why are there so many people saying, hey, you should try a binder or you should take that? It's making people think that everyone should do it.
All right, Matt. Cat's out of the bag. You are sick.
Well, I've been trying to be sick, but somebody won't leave me alone here.
You gotta give the people what they want, Matt. And they want you.
I'm not so sure about that. You should see the comments.
Somebody asked in the Facebook group, the Certified Sauna community on Facebook, what is the best detox drink to pair with sauna use? And is it even a thing you'd recommend?
Yeah, I don't necessarily know what you mean by detox drink. Usually people take detox supplements and then they'll pair that with their sauna hydration drink, which could be anything. Like if you make your own electrolyte drink, it's going to be 8 ounces of water, a pinch of sea salt, squish of lemon, a squeezed lemon. If you buy a powder form, it's going to be something like Liquid IV. Redmond has a good one that I like. It doesn't have a bunch of sugar in it. There's a whole bunch of those. So you would replenish electrolytes, you may remineralize, and then you also may pair that with a detoxification supplement, either something that's herbal or has a combination of a binder or something like that. But I don't know of any all-in-one detox drink phrased like that, because you wouldn't want to take your minerals and your electrolytes at the exact same time that you take a binder. There's a difference between a detox binder and an electrolyte drink. You take supplements to replenish or rehydrate or remineralize. Detox is generally trying to latch on to foreign particles and help you excrete them or move them through the GI tract. So two different things. Generally, you don't pair those together in one product because the very nature of a detox supplement, whether it's herbal, whether it's earth-based, like your zeolite is a type of clay, your bentonite is a type of clay, your activated charcoal is charcoal. Those basically gobble up things that are in the vicinity of that compound in the GI tract. So if you took hydration with it, or you took some other type of replenishment, whether it's hydration, minerals, vitamins, with an agent like that, it's going to get gobbled up and you won't have the same absorption because it will be encapsulated as it moves through the GI, so you wouldn't have the ability to absorb. So usually those are two separate products. A general recommendation without talking to someone and taking their health history or situation into account is a little reckless, but I could just say low and slow approach. So sauna a few days a week. Within the hour that you're going to do your sauna session, pick one mild detox binder, your charcoal, your clays, or something like that, and take a small amount of it along with your sauna session. Telling you to do anything else without speaking to you or knowing the situation is also a little bit uncalibrated. If you have GI issues or you have issues with constipation, you don't want to take too many other things that can be drying to the GI tract, especially if you're not really cognizant of your hydration. So without speaking to you and knowing these things, or at least asking, taking that into account, any other advice would kind of be like a disservice to you specifically. But for me, if I wanted to just do something regular, I'd pop 2 capsules of charcoal, I'd hop in the sauna, I'd make sure I do an electrolyte drink after or before, just away from the charcoal, and then I may take like a remineralizer blend or something like that. And this is very individualistic. This is why we don't come out and say everyone should take a detox binder with their sauna session, because not everyone needs to do that. But if you're experiencing like headache, fatigue, generally feeling like, you know what I mean? And I don't mean just like in the belly, just, in the head, just feeling lousy, and you weren't otherwise, unless you did your sauna session, you try it a couple times and it seems to happen every single time, you would want to try a detox binder with the sauna session, because you could be experiencing some symptoms of using the sauna, and a lot of times having an intestinal sweep, right? Sweeping the GI tract with an agent that has the ability to gobble things up and help you with excretion can help minimize those ill effects if you're going through them. But if you think about it, how many of us have a perfect lymphatic system that doesn't need any type of detox in our modern world? So why is it asked about so often? Why is it so prevalent? Why are there so many people saying, hey, you should try a binder or you should take that? It's making people think that everyone should do it because a lot of us have needed it or will need it, right? But it doesn't mean that you absolutely do. You got to take a look at the individual situation. More often than not, people benefit from it. So that's why I recommend it a lot. And I'm careful to not make blanket statements like, everyone that uses a sauna should takes this detox binder. At the same time, everyone that uses a sauna should try a detox binder for about 2 weeks at some point in their life. But right now might not be the right time to do that for you. It depends on what else is going on. To get other people's perspective, the best thing to do is join the Facebook group, the Certified Sauna Community. To get specific recommendations for your situation, the best thing to do is to post in the Certified Sauna Community and submit a question for the live stream, so that I can take your question, read it, live on air, and then we can give you detailed information specifically for what you're asking about. For anything else, the links are in the description. We'll see you in the next one.